be. You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be alone. Right here, right here, right here. This is something we can